Belzona solutions for screw conveyors. Worn-out screw conveyors can cause production slowdowns, which translate into costly performance losses. Due to the nature of the materials they handle, screw conveyors suffer from severe abrasion and/or chemical attack. In more severe working conditions, the conveyor shaft may also wear and weaken, causing sag and damage to the trough and flights. Conventional repairs are limited to welding to recuperate losses on flights or spirals and bead welding for structural support. The Belzona solution begins with the selection of the right system for the job. Our materials will first repair and then protect the screw against the forces that caused the problems in the first place. Whether it is to combat chemical attack or severe abrasion, our materials are safe and easy to apply, utilizing only hand tools, and they are cold curing, thus avoiding unwanted heat stress or distortion. Our materials can be applied onto any surface, including vertical and overhead, and their fast rate of cure allows the auger to be returned to service with minimal delay. Since 1952, Belzona's proven solutions and products have been demonstrated to be a cost-effective alternative to conventional repairs. Shouldn't you be taking advantage of Belzona's know-how in your facility?